Hello guys, this is Optimistic Me TV and welcome back to my channel. So kung bago ka pangalan po dito sa aking channel, ay itap mo na po yung subscribe button, pati na rin po yung notification bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Dahil dito sa channel na to ay nag-share ako ng mga ideas on how to make money online gamit naman po ang inyong mga mobile phones. So ang isa pang pagkakakitaan natin ngayong araw ay itong gift hour surveys in a box. Ang gift hour surveys po ay meron silang Facebook page at ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box para hindi na po kayong mahirapan sa pag-search. So ayan guys, ngayon, what's gift hour surveys? A detailed guide about online surveys and on how to join earn rewards. So makikita natin sa Facebook page nila mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Doon nila pinopost yung kanilang mga winners. Actually guys, nanalo na din po ako ng 1,000 pesos worth of Lazada gift vouchers. So, i-introduce ko po muna sa inyo ang gift hour surveys. What is gift hour surveys? Gift hour surveys is brand under Insightpedia Incorporated, a market research company based in Makati, Philippines. We are an online community that enables you to earn rewards by answering surveys. All data collected from all our surveys are considered private and confidential. We have not and will never share personal data to any third party without your knowledge. How to join? Simple, follow these 5 easy steps. Scroll through our page for recent and active surveys. So, ulitin ko guys, ilalagay ko po yung link ng kanilang page para makita nyo po yung kanilang page sa Facebook. So, read the qualifications first before answering to avoid disqualification. Click the link and answer the survey. Number 4, share the survey to people who you think are qualified. Number 5, like our page and join our group for more updates. So, ayan, nakalagay dito, will it cost me anything to join? We do not ask for any fee in order for you to join. Gift hour surveys is 100% free. Yes guys, wala po tayong babayaran dito sa gift hour surveys. Well, in fact, tayo po yung babayaran nila sa pagbibigay natin ng ating mga opinion. Make sure guys na yung mga opinion nyo is based on your own opinion. Mas maganda na yung mga honest opinions guys. And nakalagay dito is there are no costs associated with answering our surveys. However, you need to able to access the internet to complete our online surveys. Yun nga guys, kailangan natin may internet lang talaga kasi online survey po ito. So, what happens after signing up? Once qualified, you will receive a text message from us with the main survey link. Sometimes guys, hindi na po tayo nakaka-receive ng text message ng survey link. Minsan, ginagawa ko is binivisit ko na lang yung kanilang page at doon ko po tinatap yung link. At may nakalagay naman po kasi na qualifications doon. Kung qualified po ako, tinatap ko po yung link na yun. So, be sure to click the link in order to answer for a chance to be qualified in our daily winner raffle. Is the gift survey page legitimate? Ito guys, makita natin kung legit nga talaga. Gift hour surveys is a brand that conducts legitimate online surveys and various other forms of online marketing research. Gift hour surveys serves as the middleman for other brands and companies who seek to understand the views and attitudes of the people who use their products and services. Usually naman kasi guys, yung mga nasa online surveys ay yung mga products ay mga shampoos, nakita nyo yung mga lotions or mga other like mga cellphone, motors, basta mga ganun guys, yung mga ilalabas pa lang ng company. Baling ginagawa is sinusurvey muna nila yan kung magugustuhan ba to ng kanilang magiging customer. So we offer you a way to learn a little extra money online in exchange for your honest feedback and opinions regarding certain products and services. So, how long does your surveys take to complete? In order to keep the results more insightful, the length of our surveys would range from 10 to 60 minutes to complete. Why should I participate? Gift hour survey is one of the best and first surveys pages in the country with an access to nearly 1.2 million respondents. If you've got some time to spare and enjoy giving your opinion, surveys can be considered as a great way to earn a little just by sharing your personal insights on brands and companies nationwide. Why do you need to know about my personal info? So, bakit nga ba kanila kailangan malaman yung ating personal info? Personal information is used for the following reasons. Number 1 is to communicate with you if you've possibly won in one of our surveys. Ako guys, nung nanalo ako, naka-receive po ako ng text na nanalo po ako ng 1,000 gift voucher nila. 1,000 pesos gift voucher. So, yan din po yung way para ma-claim nyo po yung prize nyo. So, number 2, to let you know about other survey opportunities. Number 3, to manage who are qualified for our raffle contests. Number 4, to communicate with you regarding raffle entries. And number 5, to update our records. All data collected from all surveys are considered private and confidential. We have not and will never share personal data to any third party without your knowledge. We are not here to sell you anything, but rather give your respondents a chance to be heard. Ito guys, paano nga ba natin malalaman na hindi ito scam? So, Gift Our Surveys is a legit survey page that will never ask for any of your social security information. Identifying information such as age, gender, or even income salary are needed only for respondents to qualify in the specific group that we're looking for. So, yun lang guys, ang tawag doon ay demographics. Yung age nyo, yung gender nyo, kung ano yung income salary nyo, yun po yung mga kailangan natin sa kanilang surveys para po mag-qualify tayo. Kailangan po natin ibigay yung information na yun. Pero, ito po yung mga hindi nila hinihingi. We do not ask for your bank account information, sensitive personal information such as driver's license number, pag-ibig, PhilHealth number, and social security system number. And number 3, membership fees in order to answer or qualify in our surveys. Hindi po sila nagpapabayad. Libre po ito guys, ang pag-ana natin dito. Ang pagbibigay natin ng opinion, well in fact, sila pa po ang nagbabayad para sa atin. And lastly, how do I redeem my reward? If you won in the raffle, our team will contact you via text or on Facebook Messenger within a week after the winners have been announced. Please take note that we do not ask for you to pay anything in order to redeem your reward. Once you've replied with your preferred gift voucher, receive the code for the gift certificate via text within a couple of days. Usually guys, yung mga gift vouchers nila o gift certificates nila is in the form of Lazada, Gcash, Paymaya, Shopee, ganun yung, or Pure Gold vouchers, ganun yung mga pinapamigay nila guys. It ranges from 500, 1,000, or even 3,000, 5,000, and may nanalo na din po ng 30,000. So yun guys, pupunta po tayo sa Facebook page nila para makita nyo na legit nyo itong Gift Our Surveys. And guys, andito po tayo sa page ng Gift Our Surveys. And as of now, meron silang 15,217 followers dito sa kanilang Facebook page. Kita nyo yun guys. Ito po, makita natin yung mga winners. Ayan. At nagpo-post din po sila dito ng mga available surveys at kung ano yung magiging price nyo kapag nag-qualify kayo at nanalo sa kanilang raffle. Para may chance kayong manalo, ay i-like nyo na po at i-follow itong Gift Our Surveys. Nasa Facebook lang naman siya guys. So ayan, hanggang dito lang po tayo. Sana po may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Consider tapping the subscribe button and the notification bell icon para lagi po kayong updated sa aking mga videos. And don't forget to like this video kung nagustuhan mo po ito. So thank you guys for watching.